Oh, hey friends, it's Len here at 1A Auto. Today I'm working on a 2007 Toyota FJ Cruiser, and I wanted to show you where the inside the engine compartment fuse box is. It's right over here, located right behind your battery, fairly easy to get to. Over here, there's a little push tab. All we're going to do is push it, lift it, and there it is. Inside here is your fuses, and here's a little diagram of what everything is, so you know what you're testing for, see if you have an issue. So as you can tell, everything's fairly clear here. Just wanted to show you where it is. I'm going to go ahead and put this back together. There's a couple little clips here. They just sit in there, and then this side clips into right there. Easy peasy. Just going to bring it in. Try to get it lined up. Give it a little bonk. Looks like it's good to go. Easy peasy. So, if you need any parts, you can always check us out at 1aauto.com. Thanks.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.